Right guys, so welcome to another video. First off, I'm talking about this now because now everything's gone live and such on the Yiannimize channel. So if you didn't know, I applied for a competition known as the Rap Job on the Yiannimize channel. If you don't know who Yiannimize is a supercar customizer. He has his own TV show and also his own YouTube channel. He's very famous for rapping celebrities' cars. Now, I entered this competition not knowing if I'd get any further or anything else, but the opportunity I couldn't miss, so I went ahead and applied, and I have managed to make it into the top 12. I am on Bert's team, Team Bark, and yeah, the experience is truly unreal. And even if I wasn't to win, there's a lot of good people in the competition, and even if I wasn't to win, the experience is enough, and obviously having the opportunity to be able to do something like this is absolutely insane. So I want to say thank you to Bert and Yanni for obviously doing this in the first place, and I also want to say thank you to Mark and Nico for also being there and all that sort of stuff. So thank you for the opportunity, guys, and to you guys who watch my videos. If I was to get the job, then that wouldn't stop my content. That would just mean I would be posting separate to do with work. That would just be a normal job. So I would be posting my content still. The Fast and Furious build still going ahead, and everything else would still be going ahead. So don't panic about that. I wouldn't stop YouTube because that's something I seriously love. So I'm back down there on the 1st of December for some more filming. So we'll see how far we can go. I'm going to try my best. That's all I can ever do. And you know, it's one of them things where you guys, honestly, when I think about it, it makes me smile, because you guys' support is absolutely insane on all the videos and all the live streams. You basically had my back all the way, and I sincerely appreciate that. What is wrong with this camera focusing? Focus. So I genuinely sincerely appreciate that. So thank you very much to everybody that has messaged me. I can't reply to everybody. I've tried to reply as much as I can. I sincerely appreciate it, honestly. From the bottom of my heart, I've had so many messages saying congratulations and everything else. But Team Blue, we're going to smash it for Bert, and we're going to beat Yanni. So thanks for watching, guys. Like, comment, subscribe, all that sort of stuff, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.